Hey guys, and welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, we're gonna look at how to add to list in your Prime Video account. Now let's begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. This right here is the interface, and what we want to look in this video is simply adding a video to your list. It's quite easy. On any video, if you simply hover over it, you'll see a plus icon right here. Simply click on it. And that's it. This video will be added to your list or your watch list. For the videos below, what you can do is simply hover over them, and as you can see, something like this will open up. Well, here's the play button, the add to watch list button, and the details button. Well, we do want to add to the watch list, so simply click on this button right here. In case you want to remove it, do the same process. Click on the stick button right here, and then it will be removed from your playlist. If you want to view your stuff, that is the videos on your watch list, what you can do is simply go to your stuff on the navbar. The button's right here next to categories. Simply click on it, and as you can see, this is my video that I had added to my list just now. That's it guys, that's how we add to list in Prime Video. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.